Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password in OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials and log in into your OnlyFans account. Once you have logged in, at the bottom of the screen, you're gonna find options like home, notifications, create new posts, chats, and your profile. Tap on your profile, then a menu will appear from the right side of your screen where you're gonna have to find your way to settings. Once you go to settings, you'll see options like profile, account, privacy and safety, notifications, and display. You have to select account from there. Once you've selected account, you're gonna see a few categories like account info, linked accounts, connected accounts, etc. You have to scroll down and find the security category. Under security, the first option there is password. Tap on it, then you're gonna see two boxes there where there's new password and confirm new password. Make sure your new password has at least one capital letter, a small letter, one special character, and the number. Once you reach that category, just go ahead and tap on save, and there you go. And guys, that's it. That's how you change password in OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.